Hello, good morning friends. I am Dr. Narayan Rao, a poet and a doctor, okay? Now, you can see my books. This is published in Hindi, okay? And this is published in Kannada, you can see, okay? And this is published in Kannada about God, okay? And this is a old book, very old book, okay? This is in Kannada and this book is in Kannada, okay? You can see all this. This is book published in Kannada. This is a book published in Hindi which I have already showed you. Now let us see. Now today's subject is ringworm, how to cure. Ringworm, how to cure in English, okay? In English I want to give this speech, but actually ringworm is due to fungus infection. Everybody knows the name is given to this as ringworm because it is in shape, it is round. In shape it is a circle. So it is called ringworm. So it is a common disease we can see everywhere, but it is most infectious and most dangerous. Okay, so we should be careful about ringworm. It may appear somewhere in thighs and maybe all over the body. No restriction. It can appear anywhere in the body. Okay, there is no restriction. All over the body also it may appear. So we are seeing some old cases who are suffering since last 15-20 years also. So due to improper medication it is not being cured. Okay, so I say it is cured by a coordinated treatment of homeopathy and allopathy. Okay, it is very fast spreading disease. It is a fast spreading disease. Okay, so the patient's clothes are to be kept away, kept separate, and it should be washed by boiled water. Okay, and it is also being spread by the intercourse, by touching, by shaking hand or by the sweating. It may spread, so you should be very careful. So I have seen so many patients, those who are suffering since last 15-20 years. Okay, so but it can be cured by the coordination of allopathy and homeopathy. In allopathy you can take some useful antibiotics as per the recommendation of or the prescription of allopathists. At the same time you can get homeopathic treatment by the recommendation or by the prescription of homeopathists. In allopathy, so penicillin may be taken or any antibiotics may be taken. For example, levofloxacin or azithromycin may be taken, or for 5 days penicillin injection may be taken, or Pentids 800 medicine may be taken, tablet may be taken instead of penicillin injection if injection is not available. Okay, but it is most dangerous. They have to wash their body, they have to, while go on bath, during bath they have to use Nico or Tetmosol soap, which is clinically proven. Nico or Tetmosol soap should be used for the bath, while bathing. Okay, so but it can be cured within 10-15 days or within 20 days by the coordination of allopathy and homeopathy. So levofloxacin or ciprofloxacin may be given, or Pentids may be given, or penicillin injection may be given. So in homeopathy we can say basilinum is the best medicine. At the same time tellurium, sepia, dulcamara, rustox and calcarea. Carb is also useful. Haper sulf is useful. Arsenicum is useful. But they are to be given at high potency. For the rashes, red rashes, upon the red rashes, you may apply sulfur dilution, sulfur 30 potency dilution, or arsenicum 30 potency dilution, or you can use neem oil or coconut oil. Okay, so this is about the about the treatment of ringworm, which is a fungal infection. If you got any such problem, you may kindly contact me. I will cure it. Now, if you want to meet me, you have to come to Shimoga in Karnataka, or you may get the medicine by speed post. All over India, I got parcel arrangement. So you may kindly contact me. I kindly request you to subscribe my channel, to like my channel. So I request you to press the like button and encourage me. Okay. So saying this much, I want to put an end to my small speech. Okay. So thank you very much.